Placing an order on Smartshop is easy. Let's see how. Visit the Smartshop website and sign in to your account. Enter your PIN code to start placing your order. Now, there are 3 ways to add the products to the cart. Option 1 is to directly enter the product category in the search bar to view product suggestions. The second option is to enter the SKU or CAT number of the desired product in the search bar. Third option is by hovering over the Shop by Category section to see available categories. Select your desired category to view products and then use the filters on the left-hand side of your screen to find the required products. Choose the method that is suitable for you and select the product you want to buy. Scroll down to check the product description and its technical specifications. Below the product description, you can explore the list of sellers delivering in your area by clicking on the Sellers option. Select the seller based on your preferences. Edit the quantities of the product and then click on the Add to Cart button. Now, click on the shopping cart icon to see all the products you have added to the cart. Here, you can review the final order, edit added products, and verify the quantities. Once done, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Next, enter your shipping details. If it is autofilled, please verify the details before confirmation. There are 2 ways to make payment on Smartshop. Cash on delivery, that is COD, or online payment. If you're selecting COD, you can make the payment once the product is delivered to your selected address. Just click on the Place Order button and you're done. If you're selecting online payment, click on the Pay Online button. Complete your payment using the pop-up window where you can select from different online payment options, including UPI. And that's it. You have successfully placed your order with Smartshop. Happy shopping!